average game just gets scarier. The longer you're in rule, the less you think you know. Power turns fatal from those closest to you. There's no need to be afraid. This power I obtained, to me it is my slave, gives me complete control. My head hurts so much power, is this trouble?
Lady, we built this realm from falsities. This is our world now, let the whole world see it. And when the burned trees begin their fight with me, let the fear run free in a house of sovereignty.
To all those that want to defy murders I thought I could, your life on the line, and I will observe you burn. Watch my dominance scatter, I am the rule.
Lady, we built this realm through felonies. This is our world now, let the whole world see it. And when the burning trees begin their fight with me, let the fear run free in a land of sovereignty. Oh, oh, oh,
Those shots of past murders leaving guilty feelings. I wish I could forget all of my wrongdoing. How could I forget that my power conquers me as I remember you?
Lady, we built this realm through felonies. This is our world now, let the whole world see it. And when the burning trees begin their fight with me, let the fear run free. Lady, we built this realm through falsities. Guilt and ghosts be now, unfit to deny it. And this power, it seems, will be the death of me. Power, seal my fate, a short life, a straight deceit. Short life, a straight deceit. Power, seal my fate.